Deep in the forest, tall trees sway gently in the breeze, waiting for their purpose. Loggers carefully select mature trees, ensuring the forest remains healthy and vibrant for years. The logs are transported to a mill, where their tough outer bark is stripped away. Machines chip the wood into tiny, uniform pieces, preparing them for the transformation process ahead. These wood chips are cooked with water and chemicals to create a soft, pulpy mixture. The pulp is washed and bleached until it becomes a clean, bright, and smooth substance. Giant rollers press the wet pulp flat, squeezing out every drop of excess water quickly. The thin sheet travels through heated cylinders, drying until it forms a crisp, solid roll. Huge machines wind the long paper into massive rolls, ready to be cut into sheets. Workers inspect the paper for quality, ensuring every page is smooth and perfect for writing. Finally, the paper is packaged and shipped to schools, offices, and homes across the world. From a mighty tree to a simple page, the journey of paper is truly remarkable.